Hi, welcome back to another vlog. Guess what? This is going to be posted on December 1st, which is the first day of Vlogmas.
Wow.
And yes, we're doing Vlogmas this year on this channel because this is now the vlog channel. I'm not ready to totally make an announcement yet for January. I don't think we're going to be doing Veganuary on this channel, and we will explain it in an upcoming video, but yeah, but let's enjoy Vlogmas while we have it. So on the first day of Vlogmas, it's actually Sunday. It's actually Saturday.
Yeah, come on.
I don't know what's going on because I've been trapped on the sofa all day long crocheting.
I chained her to the sofa and made her crochet.
But you were nice enough to... You're in horrible lighting. Switch spots. Mark was nice enough to go out with my oldest shopping.
Buy knishes.
I know. Thank you so much for the knishes. You know I love them. I've always loved them. That's a real New Yorker there. Give me some knishes, and you go right to my heart.
Get them right on the street.
Yeah, that's right. They used to have little carts with knishes, 25 cents.
No commercials.
All right, I know, we're really old.
Yeah, 25.
25 cents, and those giant pretzels.
What about the hot dogs?
25. The hot dogs were 50 cents.
Yeah, oh my gosh.
Sabrettes, not just any hot dogs. Dirty water dogs.
What are they now, like $4 or $5?
Probably, I don't know. But anyway, we used to go down to Main Street just to get the sabrettes.
Yeah.
The dirty water dogs, 2 for $1.
That was the closest outpost of the city.
Yeah, we would get the onions. The onions on there. What did they call them? Sweet onions or caramel onions? Or
Oh.
They were just onions. They were like, hey, you want onions? Yeah, okay. What's that?
Please.
Yeah. I don't think we used to get the sauerkraut too much. We would get the onions.
Yeah.
Well, if we went to Nathan's, which is also another New York institution, we would definitely get the sauerkraut. And it was cooked all day long, so it was practically mush. It was delicious.
I kind of like the Dairy Queen.
Oh, the fried sauerkraut? Well, of course. It's not healthy. we definitely had that, too. But they had those big beef dogs.
Yeah.
Yeah. I shouldn't be talking about this. This is the vegan channel. Anyway, that was a long time ago. I don't know. But Mark was nice enough to go shopping. And he started off at the pet store. And he spent $8 on this. This tiny little bag of turkey and cranberry treats.
It was for my boy.
I know, but you said that was 40% off. So how much was that to begin with? Like $15?
No.
14?
It was up there. I don't know.
That's crazy. Designer dog treats.
It's Christmas. That's why
It is Christmas. And it is made in the USA, which is nice.
That's right. I had another one in my hand and I put it down. It was made in another country.
Oh. My water's boiling for the pasta.
They actually had a chew toy that was shaped like a one of those chickens you get at the rotisserie chickens.
Oh, really?
It was in a plastic box.
Uh-huh.
And it looked like a chicken.
Oh, so like you got a Sam's Club space chicken?
Yeah.
Uh-huh. I'm sure Bowie would have loved that.
Yeah, he would have.
Well, maybe I'll have to go back and get him that for Christmas.
In another country. We cannot have it.
Oh, we can't have it. Sorry. I'll find him something that he can have. So you went to the pet store.
Yeah.
Then
They had a lot of cats, by the way.
They did?
They were all napping.
Oh. Were they all young or old or what?
They all said basically 6 months. I think they were all from the same litter, same
Feral colony?
They were from another colony in a town, a couple towns over.
Yeah. Oh. Any cuties?
They were good size. They were not small cats.
Oh, because we have a very small cat.
No, they were bigger.
Oh. Because Lammy's what? Almost 3.
Yeah.
She's 2.5.
She's petite.
And she's a tiny, short-legged cat.
She's full grown, just a little girl.
Yeah, she must be 9 pounds, maybe 8, 9 pounds,
Yeah, maybe.
if that much. All right, so Oh, she get another cat? I'm just kidding. I don't know how she would react to that.
She wouldn't like it.
I don't know, because she had a sister when we adopted
She
her.
didn't like it.
Yes, she did. They loved each other. Anyway. After that, you went to BJ's. What did you get? You got wipes and you got
Yeah, I don't think much. The
Polar Seltzer.
Polar stuff.
And I see you got the holiday flavors.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Very excited for that. They're pretty much all the same anyway. They just say, "Oh, this is the holiday one."
Yeah. Different wrapper.
Yeah. Oh God, we have so much to do today. We have to preload the car for the market tomorrow.
Yes, and it's
You have to
cold out.
teach me. You have to give me a tutorial on how to use the propane heater.
Oh jeez.
I know.
I don't even remember.
You, Maddie, you can come early and help us. Just kidding. Anyway, that's all for BJ's. Just those two items,
That's it.
I think,
Yeah,
right?
pretty much.
Then you went to Aldi. We got 2 kinds of bread. We got gluten-free. We got seedy bread.
Yeah.
You got some organic bananas, nanners, a whole bunch of...
I think I got that at Aldi too, and some of these beans here.
all of these beans were
Right.
Aldi.
So yeah, you
Yeah.
just said the 2 things.
No, for BJ's.
Oh, right.
And we got some taco filling because this is so convenient and so delicious and pretty healthy, I feel like.
Yeah.
And I think that's it for Aldi because we were pretty much stocked up. And I'm going on Wednesday anyway. So
Yeah, you know, it was expensive today.
ShopRite was expensive,
It was like
right?
at ShopRite, I got 2 bags of groceries and a container of bleach for the pool,
Yeah.
and it was like $81.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
Oh, also at Aldi you got this bag of frozen veg.
Right.
So I think there's like 3 broccoli, a pea, you peed in the bag, and a corn. Corn. And then ShopRite, you got almost nothing.
Yeah.
You got an on sale Newman's Pizza, 2 types of flour tortillas, 1 gluten-free, 1 semi-healthy. Probably the healthiest ones they had.
Yes.
Some mashed potato flakes. My favorite store pickles.
Yeah, these flakes are literally just flakes.
Dehydrated potatoes.
There are no other ingredients, so you really have to spice it up a little.
Yeah, but it's good because, like...
Yeah, I mean, it doesn't have any junk in it.
Yeah. Unlike this.
Yeah.
This was on sale for $3.99, right? I bet a lot of people were making vegan cheesecakes
Probably.
for the holidays. Not us. We just like it on toast.
No.
I've given up on vegan cheesecakes.
It's okay. You're allowed.
Mushrooms.
Not just
vegan
any
rice
mushrooms.
mix, reduced
Clearance.
mushrooms.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's a man after my own heart. Mark's special juice that's going to hopefully extend his life.
Yeah.
Some cheese pizza for the vegetarians on pizza night. Did I say cheese pizza?
Yes, you did.
4 cheese pizza.
Right. 4 cheese.
4 cheese
Pizza
variety pizza cheese.
Yeah.
The famous knishes are one of our favorite not refrigerated sauerkrauts. This is a Polish brand, I think. And it's called Pickled, PKLD. And it is a spicy, garlicky, jarred sauerkraut. It is so yummy.
Very good.
So yummy. And you don't like spicy food. So if you say it's good, it's good. This we didn't get today. This is what we're having for dinner.
Yeah, it says where it's made.
I don't know. I thought it said product of Poland or something. Taco sauce.
Let's see it.
And our Italian flour. Let me see. Where are you from? It's a product of Poland.
Really?
Imported and distributed by Tasty Brand, spelled T-S-T-Y, Stamford, Connecticut.
Where does it say Poland?
Right there. I think you need to have your glasses checked.
I'm tired.
I'm tired too, obviously. So we're going to have to choke down dinner. This is how the rest of the night's going to go. We got to choke down dinner. We got to preload the car. Thank you, Oven. You have to give me my tutorial. I have to crochet some more. I got baby kittens to do. The whole litter got to be born tonight. And then after that, I got to take a shower, dry my hair because I'm not going to bed with wet hair. Hopefully get a few hours sleep. And I think your daughter is going to be here at 6 in the morning or 5:45. Because we got a 45-minute drive. So, what?
Too early.
So are we.
No, you're not.
We're not leaving till 6:45 though, so you
Oh,
can
boy.
sleep in an extra 45 minutes.
Yeah.
Alright. Because Mark's job is to make a tiny cheese charcuterie platter for Bowie and take him into the bathroom so that he doesn't wake up the entire neighborhood while we're loading the car with the actual merch.
So spoiled.
Bubby, is that true? You're not spoiled. You're a good boy. He's all snoozing over there. He was all like,
What time does it end tomorrow?
I think 4.
Are we going to be there?
I hope so. I really hope so because I feel like tomorrow I'm just going to be a tiny block of ice. Or
Yeah.
not so tiny block of ice.
Yeah, it could be.
Because I think it's going to be
So good.
just a little bit above freezing. What, the sugared nuts?
Yeah, and the regular one.
Yeah, we do our own custom fruit and nut mix here. So like this is just sea salt, cashews, and basically that mix that's Sahara. Is it Sahara? Or something? I don't have it in the bag anymore. Because I dumped the rest of it in there. It's like just dried fruits and like sugared pecans. It's yummy. You mix it all together so it kind of cuts down on the sugar part.
Yeah.
But that's a nice protein omega snack.
I'm not sure about the omegas.
With the nuts?
You'd be surprised.
Uh-oh. Alright. I gotta cook the spaghetti because we gotta get moving.
burn 'em. Let's go.
I know. All the water's gonna evaporate. Oh, hi. It's the end of Vlogmas Day 1. Oh, what a pretty sunset. It's not showing up half as good on the camera as it is in real life.
Oh, yeah.
You can see it's like on fire over here. Oh, it's beautiful. You should get up and take a look because it's really something spectacular.
I'll get up in a second.
Oh, it's getting darker and deeper. Oh, beautiful. So, what a weekend we had. We had our our Christmas market yesterday. If you want to see the wrap up for that, it's going to be on tomorrow's crochet channel video.
Are you okay?
Granny by Nature crochet. I know. I've been burning the candle at both ends, and I'm really feeling it today.
I know.
Yesterday took a lot out of me because it was extremely cold.
It was very cold. And you only got like 2 hours of sleep.
The night before, yeah. Last night I made up for it, kind of. But
Yeah.
even if you make up for it hour by hour, you still need
You still need extra.
Right.
Haven't they done studies about that?
Yeah, it's tough to catch up. And I've got about, 33 years of catching up to do.
Ugh.
33 plus. So, there's going to be a video again tomorrow on this channel because it's Vlogmas.
Oh my goodness.
Sean, what's the weather tomorrow?
Snow.
Yeah, it's going to snow tomorrow. Whoopee.
Great.
I know. That's exactly how I feel. Even despite the snow, though, it's a very special day. It's our little lamb, Bob Rumple's birthday.
Happy birthday, Bob.
When
Hope you have a wonderful day.
Yes, happy birthday, Bob, first of all. And when we met Bob, I'm pretty sure he was like 14
child.
years old,
Yeah.
maybe. And he is much older now. He's an adult man now.
He is.
And I don't mean like 18. I mean like he's in his 20s now.
Yes, and he's done amazing, amazing things.
His interviews are drool-worthy.
Yeah, make sure you guys check out Bob's podcast.
Yeah. I wish we had a link. Maybe Bob can leave
I feel
a
like
link.
we can find one.
Yeah. Because you're better at that than I am. I'm not good at that.
Uh-huh.
But I really hope Bob has a great birthday. Perhaps even his best day, week, month, year, lifetime of birthday happiness.
Ooh.
Wouldn't you say?
Yeah, I would.
So we have been crocheting like crazy because...
Not really. We had a lot of other stuff going on today.
Well, we do have a lot of other stuff going on. I'm desperately trying to put things away so that I can make room for Sean's advent calendars, and I've pretty much given up for today. I did do a lot, though. But a lot more still needs to be done, which I will hopefully show you guys tomorrow. I hope I get the bulk of it done tomorrow. I have a lot of financial paperwork to attend to as well. And regular household duties, my household, keeping it running. I mean, it takes a village, but there's only me. So, tomorrow's going to be a very busy day as well. What I was trying to say before was I thought there was a possibility that the market on Saturday wasn't going to come off. You know, go off as planned. Yeah, this Saturday coming up. Because yesterday I looked and I thought that I saw some snow in the forecast. But guess what? That has all been blown away.
Yay! Let's hope.
Yeah, which means instead of having an easier week, I have a harder week.
But it's our last market of the season.
And you know who else is hoping to go to the movies?
Yeah, well, we got to see Zootopia too.
I know. Is that going to happen? Or
Pencil
should
it in. I think we could make it work.
Yeah?
I think we could.
All right. Well, if you think we can make it work, then perhaps we'll make it work.
I'll do the pack up on Thursday night.
Okay.
So that that's done.
Yeah. It's going to be a crazy week. It's going to be a super crazy week. But it is what it is. Whatever gets done, gets done. Whatever does not get done, wish it into the cornfield. Lammy's skulking around over here. I have no idea what's for dinner tonight. Who am I? I don't even know anymore. But it's Vlogmas, and that means I gotta crank out a video every weekday for this entire month.
Ah!
And I don't just do till Christmas. No, no, no. I do till New Year's Eve
Wow.
/ day.
Pretty good.
Yeah.
Well, I gotta fix the settings on my phone so I can vlog for you.
I know. I gotta Google that and figure out what I changed on my phone to make it acceptable.
Yeah, because maybe I can get some footage for you tomorrow.
Yes, I would love that. I would love that.
Show you my tree and all that.
Yeah, because you've been a busy little beaver over there doing your Christmas decorating and stuff.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's hope we survive. We're stronger than the storm.
Yes. Everybody stay safe, stay
Yes.
warm if you're in the path of the storm.
If you don't have to go out, don't go out.
Yeah.
There's no sense risking your life to go out for milk, bread, and eggs. You can
Yeah.
eat something else. All right, so I guess I'm gonna close it there, and I'll be back tomorrow, or you may too. Nice goose head.
Thank you.
Very cute. Well, I have a headless deer right now that I've been working on.
That looks very cute too.
Thank you. It's got a little fawn tail on the back. All right. We'll see you guys tomorrow. And until then, much love. Bye, everybody.